Here is a Tesla Glide shoes review. For us to be able to see a good review, let's search first Tesla Glide shoes review. As you can see, there is no official Tesla Glide shoe. Viral videos of the shoes are AI generated and the product itself is not real. However, there are many other shoes marketed as Tesla which are lightweight, comfortable running or walking shoes from other brands. So as you can see, there is a Tesla Men's ultra lightweight shoes. So there is no such thing as Tesla Glide, but there is a Tesla Men's ultra lightweight. So this is the physical picture of the Tesla lightweight shoes. So as you can see, it is very lightweight and it is very good for running. And as you can see, it is for men. So usually shoes like this are for men. So if you're looking for a very lightweight shoes that you can use for running and walking, this one is the right one for you.